Hello everyone, welcome to the Master IT Skills channel. Today's video will help you explore the 6 most important aspects of information technology, or IT. From basic concepts, networking and security, to big data and artificial intelligence, everything will be explained in the simplest way possible. Let's step into the modern world of technology and discover some exciting things together.
Hey everyone, it's Master IT Skills here. Today, let's dive into a fascinating and important topic in our modern lives, the digital age. We live in a digital world, where technology has become a crucial part of our everyday lives. It's amazing how much we rely on technology every single day. From checking emails and scrolling through social media to working and learning online, technology has transformed how we live and work. From smartphones to apps that make life easier, it's all powered by something called information technology, or IT for short. These devices not only connect us to the world, but also help us manage our daily lives more efficiently. It is not just about computers and gadgets. It also includes the networks, software, and online services we use every day. It's about connecting, sharing, and exploring information in ways we never thought possible. We can chat with loved ones far away, work remotely, and even learn from afar, all thanks to technology. Remember dial-up internet? Those were the days when we had to wait for minutes just to get online. Yeah, it wasn't that long ago, and now we're talking about self-driving cars and instant global communication. Technology has come so far that we can have video calls with people across the world in seconds. In this ever-evolving digital world, understanding IT is more important than ever. Not just to use technology effectively, but also to protect our personal information and important data. It helps you make smart decisions about the technology you use and the career path you might choose. Knowing about IT can open up new job opportunities and help you adapt to the rapidly changing world of technology. So, let's explore this exciting world of IT together. From the latest inventions to the tech trends shaping our world, we'll learn and discover together. Basically, it is about using any computer-based systems to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all kinds of electronic data. Think of it like the nervous system of our modern world. When you send a text message, you're using IT. When you watch videos online, that's it. When you pay with your phone, you guessed it, that's it in action. It is everywhere, and it's shaping how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From healthcare to education, finance to entertainment, IT is revolutionizing every industry. Let's talk about the internet. This global network is the foundation of so much in IT. It allows computers all over the world to talk to each other, sharing information at super fast speeds. But with all this connection comes the need for security. Cybersecurity is super important to protect our data and privacy. Think about it. Your personal info, financial details, everything you do online needs to be kept safe from the bad guys. Part 4. Hardware and software. The perfect pair. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer system, the things you can actually touch. It includes everything from the motherboard, processor, and hard drive to peripherals like the mouse and keyboard. All these components work together to make a complete computer system. Phones, laptops, servers, and data centers, that's all hardware. These devices are the backbone of all the digital activities we do every day. From sending emails and browsing the web to storing important data, hardware plays an indispensable role. Software, on the other hand, is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. It includes operating systems, applications, and other programs that we use every day. Software is the soul of the computer, enabling us to perform complex tasks with ease. Think of it like the brains of the operation. Software controls everything from booting up the computer and running applications to processing data. It's the crucial element that allows hardware to operate efficiently and accurately. Operating systems like Windows or iOS, the apps on your phone, even the code running websites, it's all software. These programs help us interact with hardware in an easy and intuitive way, providing the best user experience. Hardware and software work together seamlessly to create our digital experience. When hardware and software come together, they create a powerful and efficient system, enabling us to perform our daily tasks quickly and easily. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age. Without them, the digital world we know wouldn't exist. Let's celebrate this dynamic duo and gain a deeper appreciation for their crucial roles in our daily lives. Part 5, The Future is Code, Software Development. Ever wonder who creates all those awesome apps and websites? It's software developers. These are the creative minds behind the digital experiences we all love. They write code, test it, and work tirelessly to bring new ideas to life. This field is constantly evolving, with new programming languages and technologies popping up all the time. It's an exciting field to be a part of, with tons of opportunities to innovate and make a real impact. Part 6, Beyond the Now, Big Data and Artificial Intelligence. We're creating more data than ever before. Every day, billions of gigabytes of data are generated from our personal devices, businesses, and public systems, like a crazy amount of data. This data isn't just meaningless numbers, it holds valuable insights that can change how we live and work. This big data is being used in amazing ways, from personalized medicine to self-driving cars. In medicine, big data helps doctors make more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments for individual patients. And then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI isn't just a technology, it's a revolution. This is where things get really futuristic. AI has the ability to learn and adapt, making it a powerful tool in many fields. AI is all about teaching machines to think like humans and even beyond. It can analyze data at speeds and with an accuracy that humans can't match. And it has the potential to revolutionize everything from healthcare to transportation. Imagine a world where self-driving cars are the norm, and hospitals use AI to diagnose illnesses quickly and accurately. The future of IT is full of possibilities, and we're only just beginning to explore what's possible. And it's happening faster than we think. Technology is advancing at a dizzying pace, and we need to be ready for these big changes.